Hello, everyone, and welcome to Wisdom Waves Wednesday, our weekly live sessions, which are all about bringing experts' insights directly to you, covering a wide range of topics to inspire, educate, and support your personal growth journey. And today's focus is parent child communication made easy, and we are thrilled to have with us Pallavi Walia Raj. She's an incredible communication coach who specializes in helping to build trust and connection through meaningful communication. Whether you're looking for building a gap between your teenage or open the channels of communication with your child, Pallavi has shown some fantastic results and have some amazing strategies to share with us. Thank you so much, Pallavi, for coming in our session and helping us with your wisdom.
Thank you. Thank you so very much, Swati, first and foremost, for even having me over. And I'm extremely excited to be able to share things that I can, which might empower, which might enable anybody and everybody out there who truly want to be able to benefit themselves in their relationships with themselves, as well as their relationships with their spouses and their children, because I think that's what life is all about. Life is all about the way we communicate from the moment we wake up, even while we are sleeping, in fact. So,
Absolutely, absolutely. And so I have few questions for you. As so, some questions has been suggested by our audiences, and some questions I have prepared. So, if you don't mind, can I ask you those questions?
fire away, Swati, I'm all yours.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. So, so first question is, what is the biggest challenge you see parents face when they're trying to communicate effectively with their children?
Okay, so I don't really know whether I will be liked very much for saying this, but I'm a parent of a 15-year young myself, and I have noticed this in my own parenting style. And I've noticed this in so many parents. We work with a lot of couples and parents of tweens and teens, and we've realized that one of the things that parents knowingly and unknowingly do is they keep the focus on themselves and not on their children while they're communicating. So
Okay.
one very major thing that kind of goes wrong for them is that I would, instead of calling it right or wrong, I would say one thing that they forget to focus on is their kids are also an individual. So what if
Hmm.
that child is in a smaller body?
Hmm.
The soul of the child is very wise.
Hmm.
The soul
Hmm.
has no age,
Absolutely.
right?
Absolutely.
And they have some intrinsic innate understanding.
Hmm.
And we normally, as parents, forget that we're speaking to another individual.
Hmm.
We
Hmm.
start communicating with them as those in our head subconsciously saying, I'm the boss of this
Hmm.
little person.
Hmm. Hmm.
See,
Hmm.
I created this little person.
Hmm.
Oh my God, immense respect for that because we are
Hmm.
co creators. So, immense respect for that and immense love for that. But the
Hmm.
fact is, we suddenly start feeling like this, this child belongs to me.
Hmm. Hmm.
This child has to listen to what I
What
have to
I'm saying.
say
Hmm. Hmm.
because, hey, I'm the authority figure here.
Hmm.
And
Absolutely.
the minute I've noticed this with my child from a
Hmm.
very young age, I started noticing that she, I always say this, Swati, that my child has taken birth through my womb to whack me back onto the right path and the right track and my higher purpose in life.
Hmm. Hmm.
You
Hmm.
know, so I've noticed this. My child saying this to me, and now I notice it all across. Because when you start noticing it with your own child, you start noticing it with others, kids
Right.
as well. That kids very early understand that this is not the way that I want to be treated.
Correct.
Don't
Hmm.
speak with me in that manner. Don't
Hmm.
talk down at me. And parents feel that when the child is saying no, see, we teach as a communication coach, Swati, I teach people how to say no without feeling guilty.
Huh.
Okay. And parents, are the first people that my husband Commander Bimal Raj and I, we both run the funnel together, and we're both thinking to ourselves, hello, it's not the child that we need to work with, we need to work with the parent. Because even when I'm teaching adults how to say no, you know where it starts off? It starts off way back in their childhood when they were told, अगर आप ना बोलोगे तो आप गंदे बच्चे हो.
हाँ,
If you say no, you're rude. If you
हाँ,
say no, you're back answering me. We just don't let our children express themselves fully. And we, sometimes, a lot of times, I've noticed a lot of parents do raise their voice a lot while talking to their kids. They do give them a lot of dhamkis, as we call it in Hindi.
frowning.
And so,
You said this to me.
yeah,
How
okay,
dare
they
you
give
kind
they
of
put them
situation.
a lot of guilt trip. Okay, so look at the kind of language that they are using. Look at the kind of emotions that they are using. That is what is the ineffective communication. So even the road to hell is paved with good intention. And the good intention is I am taking care of my child. I want to correct my child. Hello, my child is my responsibility. You are here, your duty is to be able to birth this child, bring this child to earth. Your duty is to be able to keep that child alive, feed, make the child grow up. But your duty is not to be the boss of that child.
Right, right.
And that is where the cookie crumbles, that we start feeling that I own this.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I love
I've
the
been
way
there,
you
Swati.
said. Uh,
I
I,
mean,
no, absolutely. Because I remember once saying to one of the parents, like,
हाँ जी.
stop being a carpenter for your child, cutting and, because what does a carpenter do? It
Yeah,
apparently cuts and molds it completely the way you want it to be. Try
correct.
to be the gardener for your child.
So true.
Try to let them blossom their own way, let them understand from their own problems,
Yeah,
let them be resilient by themselves rather than
yeah.
you overpowering them and trying to put them in a cup which the child does not want to be.
Absolutely, and that's something you notice, Swati. That's what we're constantly doing,
Yeah.
and we're doing it like that. Is why I said the road to hell is also paved with good intention, because we're doing it with this super awesome thought process that hello, मुझ में कुछ
I
गलत
I
नहीं है,
have
मेरे values इतने अच्छे हैं, मैं I turned out absolutely fine. My parents did the same thing to me, and I turned out absolutely fine. Really?
I
Let's
agree.
talk. Let's talk. I mean, when I say to parents, it's okay. Let's talk. What are the mommy and the daddy issues that are holding you back? And where do they stem from? And most of the time, they stem from this place, that there were
Correct.
controlling issues. There were no decisions being allowed to take. To take. The parents are constantly, ye dress pehno, ye shoes pehno, ye karo. And then later on, the parents say, you know what, my child is not even willing to take a decision कि 10th के बाद क्या करना है. When did you
आपने कब
give
छोड़ा?
that Exactly. When did
When
you
did
give that
you
child a free hand? है ना? To blossom,
Absolutely.
like you said, you just, you were supposed to just do some little bit of grafting and
हाँ.
taking care, and you did solid architectural work
Carpentry
and
and
carpentry work, like you mentioned.
cutting.
And now you're
Absolutely.
saying, "Arey, but this is not the child that I wanted to, or I was not like this, really."
True,
So,
true. Very, very true. Very true. So, which comes to my second question. So,
hmm,
what are those some foundational principles for
hmm.
building trust between parent and child through communication?
Beautiful. The word is overused, the phrase is overused, but I'm going to share it anyway. Unconditional love.
Hmm.
Overused because it is never unconditional.
But it's true.
है ना? It is never unconditional.
Hmm.
Lot of time. So this is foundation number one.
Hmm.
अगर आपको गुस्सा भी आया है आपके बच्चे के साथ, if that child has not done something that you've asked that child to do, don't withhold love.
True.
Don't withhold love. Don't, in your anger, in your frustration, don't withhold love. That
Mm.
is not unconditional love. So a lot of
Mm.
times people talk about tough love. Tough love is still showing love.
Mm.
It is
Mm.
not
Correct.
withholding things.
Yes.
So that I've seen people who cut off.
Mm. Mm.
They cut off. They become aloof, and
Mm.
that child is going through such trauma at that point in time.
Mm. Mm.
Because and again, Swati, I do not say anything here that I have not done with my child,
Mm.
and I
Mm.
have not suffered some consequences of that.
Obviously.
And
Mm.
if I honestly, if I did not have the kind of spouse that I have, who is so who's such an amazing father, and
Mm.
he has studied all of this, human psychology, human behavior, parenting, all of this
Mm.
along since the age of 20, because he was so interested in
Mm.
always having a family that he could really just keep happy. It's not about giving the family everything. It's about happiness, right? At the end of the
Mm.
day, every family's aim has to be happiness and
Ah.
growth and blossoming, right? Into
Absolutely.
the people that they want to be. So one of the things that I would say as a foundation, don't withhold love.
Mm.
If you use that word unconditional love, ask yourself when you get angry or upset, am I showing my child my love, or am I
Mm.
withholding my love?
Right.
Because if
Right.
it's that, then you're not giving unconditional love. Second
Understood.
thing, I would love it for you to respect
Mm.
the
Mm.
boundaries
Mm.
of your child as another human being's boundaries.
Sure. Mm.
Because everybody say, मुझसे क्या छुपाना है? I'm the parent. Hello, why are you
Shying away from telling me.
why
Why
are
are you
you
not telling me?
exactly, why are you shutting the door?
Ah.
What are you not showing me? What are you writing? What's in your diary?
Hmm.
What are you doing on the phone? Hello, even I've asked, but not not every single time.
Hmm.
You
Hmm.
know, um, sit and have that. So that your second point is that understand that your child is another individual, and also try and maintain your boundaries with your child.
Hmm.
Just
Hmm.
like you would not like, suppose somebody comes home, you would not like that person to barge into your bedroom, in your
Absolutely not.
bathroom.
True.
It's similar with a child, because that's an entity, that's
Hmm.
another soul.
Hmm.
That
Hmm.
soul also
Absolutely.
has, so respect
Hmm.
and love are two solid things on which this relationship is built, right?
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
I definitely want the third foundation to be having conversations with your child,
Hmm.
having those awkward conversations,
Hmm. Hmm.
having some type of conversations that are that are just helping the child open up, not constantly
Right.
preaching.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
And
Hmm.
when I talk about conversations, one is that the child should have conversation. You as a parent should have conversations with the child. I
Hmm.
want you to encourage that the child also has one safe person
Hmm.
apart from you, who is an adult that
Hmm.
you can trust immaculately.
Okay. Okay.
So, just to give an example, we have a friend, her name is Uma, and for my Jia, Uma Aunty is a super safe space.
Okay.
So even when Jia doesn't want to come to her parents to talk about something, and she has nothing that she hides from us, but there are times when there is something that
Hmm.
the child wants to
Sometime.
discuss.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah, and they want to discuss it with somebody who doesn't carry the baggage.
Hmm.
Because the minute the safe person is your parent, your mother, your father, or your aunt, your uncle, somebody who's within the family, then there is baggage,
Hmm.
whether you
Hmm.
like it or not. So
Hmm.
that safe person has to be an adult who both your parents trust
Trust.
immaculately.
Mhm. Because there is a
Cannot be another
preconceived
child.
notion also with the family members. There's a preconceived notion before
That's
the
what
child telling. They will jump into the conclusion. What is the use of child telling then?
exactly. वही तो बैगेज वही हो जाता है ना कि
Hmm.
कभी किसी ने आपके बारे में कुछ सुना होगा,
हाँ,
आपकी मम्मा ने ये मुझे बताया था, नाउ दैट इज
हाँ,
hovering, you know.
right, right, right.
That doesn't happen with a
Hmm.
person who doesn't have anything to
Doesn't have.
lose,
Absolutely.
right? And who doesn't have anything to gain either. This is just
Right.
a child of a very very close friend, and they love this
Hmm.
child, and they just
Hmm.
want to be of help to that child, right? See,
Right.
because if the person, so in this third pillar that I talked about, conversation with you having conversation, even those awkward conversations with your children, and you making sure that your child has one safe person in their life. अगर
Hmm.
ये नहीं होगा ना, guess where the child is going to go and have their conversations.
Friends.
Yes, and they're the same age. Do they know any better?
Wait.
And
Then
in
little knowledge is dangerous. That same
exactly,
problem
it's
will come.
dangerous because they don't know any better. And इससे भी ज़्यादा danger वाली बात ये हो जाती है कभी-कभी स्वाति, that this child, because they don't have that adult in their life who they can have a
Hmm.
conversation. Sometimes move is gets connected to an adult
Hmm.
who that child also doesn't know whether they can trust or not,
Ah,
and the parent doesn't know that adult.
right.
And guess what happens then?
Then there is more
Yeah,
communication issue. There's more jumbling up. It's all jumbled up, and there's no relationship
the feelings
happening.
are jumbled up. The
Hmm.
child starts looking up to that adult as, the
Role model.
that kind of, yeah, a role model, and we don't know who that
No.
adult is. Then what do you do?
Whether
And
the adult is manipulating, whether the adult is giving the right advice, you don't even know that.
exactly, and you know this, Swati, this has happened so many times in this world that
Hmm.
adults have manipulated.
Yes,
So we
absolutely.
have to be
I
so
agree.
careful.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So that's what I feel. These are my
Wow.
top three things that we should be
so,
doing.
so can you suggest some techniques really? So one technique which I understood that so which we can use to become like better listeners, truly
Yes.
understand what our child is actually saying. So
Yeah.
one technique is I love your that technique that one person should be there in your safe
Yeah.
circle or the
Yes.
safe place where the
Correct.
child can really go and put their heart out in whatever
Absolutely.
manner, and that will be non-judgmental.
Yes. And I want to share this with all the parents. Don't go and ask this safe person, क्या बोला मेरे बच्चे ने? क्या बोला? क्या बोला?
Then the whole purpose is
The
defeated.
whole purpose is defeated. And I'm telling you, Swati, the minute your child gets to know that that safe person has shared anything that your child did not want them to share with them, I'm guaranteeing you this child is
You will
going to
not come back.
end up having trust issues all their life.
Absolutely. And with not just with you or with that person, with people
In
trusting other people.
general, in
Yes.
life, with authority, they will have trust issues. They will not want to speak with authorities. These are, very grave things. We don't take care of these things.
Right.
When these are not taken care of in their childhood, that's when today, we have CXO level people, business owners,
Hmm.
coaches
Hmm.
who we have as our one-to-one students. And
Hmm.
believe me when I say this, Swati, everything has gotten started in the childhood.
Correct. I agree.
So if you're, I mean, I really appreciate what you're doing, the work that you're doing, because if earlier when we used to do our regular work with parents, one sentence that parents used to come and say to us, and that हमारा दिल ना छलनी हो जाता था when we used to hear that sentence. They used to come and say, अरे यार मेरे बच्चे को ठीक कर दो यार.
Oh.
It was like a dagger through the heart.
Huh.
Because it was like your child has come untainted into this world. Whatever your child knows today is because of you.
You.
What he see monkey do.
Hmm.
So if you'd really like to see your child blossom, please work on yourself and your energy and your communication, your thoughts, your words. That's what matters, because the child is picking up everything subconsciously, everything. Yeah, that's
True. So, how can really parents encourage their children to express their thoughts and emotions more openly and honestly?
wow. Having those conversations Don't have those conversations when you're watching television.
Netflix.
Yeah, yeah. Have those don't even have those conversations when you're eating food, because when you're
Hmm.
eating food, just be happy, you know.
Hmm.
But after that, for about half an hour or even 15 minutes to start with, forget half an hour. Rose,
Hmm.
half an hour, Pallavi, it's very difficult. Okay, 15 minutes. Okay,
Hmm.
just sit
Hmm.
around and
Hmm.
just ask what was their day like, what did they not like about the day. Yeah, express openly. Did somebody
Hmm.
say something which hurt them? Are they feeling like saying something that they
Hmm.
didn't say earlier in the day? So
Hmm.
that it comes out of their system. You're getting what I'm saying?
Ha,
You
ha.
know, encouraging them to be able to just express. And when they're expressing, then parents zip it.
Just listen, listen, listen.
Just listen, and
Hmm.
don't listen while doing this.
हाँ
हाँ, बोलो बोलो बोलो, मैं सुन रहा हूँ.
हाँ मैं
No,
सुन रही हूँ हाँ इट्स वेरी इरिटेटिंग
लैपटॉप पे काम करते, हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो, मैं सुन रहा हूँ. नहीं.
हाँ
खाना बनाते 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 मम्मी बोलती है, हाँ बोलो ना बेटा, आई एम लिसनिंग. मैं कान से सुनती हूँ ना. अरे बॉस या पापा बोलते हैं खाना बनाते बनाते कि बेटा बोलो. आई एम टेलिंग यू, द किड इज थिंकिंग, क्या मैं
I'm not
इम्पोर्टेंट
an
नहीं हूँ क्या?
important हाँ हाँ
Whatever I'm saying is not okay. So I have a child, Swati, by God's grace, who tells us very openly,
हाँ
"Hello, I feel like I'm not important if you're doing something else." So we learned this the hard
हाँ
way, yeah, Swati. And
हाँ
I'm very happy with the way
हाँ
that she is turning out,
blossoming
because she expresses herself openly. So I'm speaking from experience. Sit and have conversations where no gadgets, nothing. Just you're just having conversations. I love it when we play, let's say, the gratitude game. Talk about three things that you're so happy about and grateful for
हाँ
today. Everybody in the family, just three things very quickly.
हाँ हाँ
Right? I love it when people. I teach this in a communication perspective. It's called jam. Just a minute. Okay, just three of you just sit and say, okay, chalo, talk about your day. You just have 1 minute. Or
हाँ
let's say, just talk about your school time. You just have 1 minute.
हाँ
No, I need more than 1 minute. Oh, 1 minute? I don't have
हाँ
so much to talk about. And when they start talking,
then they don't
you
stop
start, yeah, you start seeing. Huh? So, and at the same time, you also do your talking, you also do your sharing, because everything suggests something.
yes
So when you're also sharing, they realize, okay, tomorrow, whenever, even if your child is very small, they're still at a subconscious level realizing, tomorrow, whenever I get married and I become a parent, this is something that I am
I
also
need
going
to
to be
follow
doing. It's a subconscious,
absolutely
renewing. It's a
and
subconscious renewing of your internal communication. Yeah.
absolutely. So I can only think of one thing. So when my mom was used to, speak to me like this,
Hanji.
very, very openly. My mom, like in that time also, she made a point, although she was a business
Beautiful.
lady, she made a point that every night we had to sit together and
Wow.
talk and communicate. So I used to say, Mama, you're so boring. Every day for 10 minutes you're irritating us and we're
Huh.
just speaking, you're listening.
Yeah.
Don't even get bored. We have the same story for every day. Now, when
Huh.
I do with my children, I
Yeah.
realize I've exactly become like my mother. And
There
that
you
time
go.
I just feel that, mama does not feel bored, but now I don't feel bored. I feel
Exactly.
so nice when I listen to my children. I feel, oh, nice. They're able to tell me even the slightest of things happening in school or
Yes.
with them.
And that friendship, it is invaluable, Swati.
Ha, ha, ha.
I today, I have a relationship with and honestly, growing up, this was not my relationship with my mother,
Hmm.
because that kind of parenting, that time ka parenting was very different, yeah,
Very
Swati,
different.
right?
Ha.
But I'm telling you, I'm so glad, I'm so blessed that personal development ka space happened in my life by the time I touched about 26. Okay,
Hmm.
so
Hmm.
from then until now,
Ha.
that growth that has happened
Hmm.
has
Hmm.
allowed me for the past almost about 15 years minimum now. I have,
Wow.
yeah, for the past 15 years minimum, I
Ha.
have been talking to my parents as my friends.
That's
You
so
know,
beautiful. Ha.
yeah, and I know for a fact that my husband has a very important has a very important role to play in it, because
Hmm.
uh, he got closer to my parents than he was with his parents, and that's also what makes you realize the
Yeah,
importance
this is
of
how.
your own parents, you know.
Hmm.
So it's like saying, I'll tell you this: when that safe person comes into your child's life, na, you will start understanding the importance of your child opening up to you and you opening up to your child, because
How?
you'll start feeling,
Uh,
अरे ये तो उसको सब कुछ बताता है यार, ये तो उसको
uh,
सब कुछ बताती है और मुझे तो अभी तक कुछ बता। सो इनिशियली आई एम गोना वार्न ऑल पेरेंट्स हियर, मुझे इनिशियली ना थोड़ा-सा ऐसे एक डैगर इन द हार्ट, ओह माय गॉड माय चाइल्ड, मैंने 9 महीने पेट में रखा। And my God, my child is more, you know,
attached.
whatever, more open to with
Open up.
her. ऐसे
Uh,
कैसे हो गया this that and the other, and then I relax ऐसे, पहले चुप कर यार, relax कर, इतना ड्रामा मत करो इस बारे में. This is what we wanted.
huh,
This
huh.
is the safe person we wanted. How blessed that
How
she
blessed.
can share anything and everything. And
Huh, correct.
eventually, that my child started understanding even by talking to that safe person, because that safe person also was talking back to
About
the
you.
child, right? To my
Yes.
child.
Obviously, obviously.
Hannah saying that, yeah, have you? I don't know whether you've ever thought about how much your parents think about you, or how much they,
Uh,
whatever. And that has also added that extra thing that, oh, yeah,
that gives
you
a
know,
new perspective to the child. कि
yes,
मेरे मम्मी पापा के बारे में मैंने ऐसे नहीं सोचा, but my safe person is telling me, let me go
yes.
ahead and think about it.
Oh, yes. Oh,
That's
yes.
absolutely true. That's why you
Absolutely.
need to know that safe person. So that's for the
So,
audience. Just don't keep a random safe person. Make sure
yeah,
that the safe person has to be somebody who both the parents approve of and trust. So let's
totally.
not take that very casually. That has to be
Yeah.
thought through.
Because this is for a life, you're
Hmm.
building this relationship for life. Awesome.
True, true, true,
Yes,
true.
Swati.
Wow. I usually get this question quite often. Like,
Ji.
how can parents approach sensitive or difficult conversation with their children in a manner that they feel safe, supported, and not feel embarrassed? Or
Hmm.
that is for both, like
Yeah.
for the teens as well as for younger children. Because
Yeah.
these days we are hearing so many things. We want our children to know about it, but
Yes.
not extra know it, but not
Hmm.
feel embarrassed,
Yeah.
know about the changes which is happening with them,
Yes.
embrace those changes rather than feeling uncomfortable. And
100.
how can you do that basically?
So, Swati, it's all about conversations, right?
Hmm.
Uh,
Hmm.
when you start having these conversations also in between the husband and the wife,
Hmm. Hmm.
okay? The child is constantly observing, they're listening,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
And
Yeah.
when you can, as a family, sit and talk about certain things. Okay, so I'll tell you, when my child was roughly about 8, okay,
Hmm.
you never know these days, you never know when puberty hits, honestly.
Yeah. True. True.
What we used to go through at the age of 13, 14, 15, 16, there are
Ah.
children going through at the age of 8, 9, 10,
True.
11
True.
these days, right? So
I
when my
agree.
child was about 8 years young, I actually sat down with a nice comic book style. It's called Menstrupedia,
Menstrupedia,
right?
my favorite book.
Exactly. Right?
uh,
Menstrupedia. I sat with her and I read through the whole
hmm.
thing, and
Hmm.
we had a talk, we had a discussion, and
Hmm.
there was nothing abnormal about it because my husband was
Hmm.
right there. It was not just the mama sitting and
Hmm.
explaining to the girl. No, no, no.
Hmm. Hmm.
It was the parents sitting and
Hmm.
talking with the child. Then there was
Hmm.
another time when my husband has always been very open with my
Hmm.
child. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
so talking about whether are you looking at that boy
Boy.
is looking in that
uh,
direction. Cute,
uh,
no? So
ha.
that kind of conversation when you have, suddenly the child feels, huh? My
Uh,
mother is
Papa.
speaking like that. So,
Ha.
okay, so I'm going to share this with you. I think my child was roughly about 10 or so,
Hmm.
and came and asked my थोड़ा सा डर डर के came and asked my her father कि अच्छा did you so he's a Malayali so she calls him Acha which means papa in Malayalam. Did you also have a crush? And then he opened up the Pandora's box with her. So he turned around and told her, Arey, of course. And then he talked about his crushes, and then he talked about Mama also has had crushes. And she was, Mama also had crushes. Because Mama at that point in time was a very different Mama. I'd be very upfront with you and tell you, for her father was a lot more approachable than her mother. Okay, I was also dealing with my own issues, this, that, and the other. But the fact is that he was a lot more approachable at that point in time. And thanks to that, Swati, any conversation, whether it is a conversation of liking the opposite sex, whether it's a conversation of, hey, there are certain things that are going to be very, very natural.
Yeah.
And these are natural processes. And we don't talk about things like puberty. We don't talk about things like masturbation. We don't talk about things. Now I'm talking about the teens. Okay. We don't talk about things like attraction to the opposite sex and what things can go wrong or how things can be can be kept right. Okay, we don't talk about phone usage and hey, these are the pictures that you should never be clicking of yourself or you should never be sending to somebody. Oh, you might be madly in love and you might think you're going to spend the rest of your life with this person and therefore, you'd like to. No, please understand that there are certain things which are just yours.
It's
No
very
matter.
personal.
And then you give personal examples. Will Acha or Mama, will Papa or Mama ever share these kind of pictures with each other? No.
No.
I mean, these are the kind of conversations, Swati, that we can start opening up. But they start when the husband, wife, right from an early age, they're having these
Haven't been
discussions.
open to the communication.
Correct. And, maybe you're watching some graphic novel type thing with them. Maybe you're reading some graphic novel type thing with them.
Yeah.
Today, your kids know more than you would have ever known at that age.
Correct.
And they start very, very young. Okay. Just to digress a little bit from this point, Swati.
Sure.
In India, pornography starts roughly at about 10 and a half, 11. It's one of those countries. We are one of those countries that have the largest consumption between the ages of 11 to 18.
That's very disheartening, actually.
Well, and that is exactly why this is happening. Why do you think this is happening, Swati? किसी ने बताया ही नहीं है, कोई बैठ के बात ही नहीं करता है. स्कूल में 1-2 लेक्चर दे देते हैं about your body
Puberty
and
in
about
boys, puberty in girls, 2 workshops done.
That's it, done. No, that's not how it is done, right? Physiologically, these guys are changing. Their prefrontal cortex is going into short circuit mode every single second. Pal mein tola, pal mein masha, pal mein the child will be laughing. Agle minute the child will want to kill you and call you a devil.
Anger.
Yeah. So my point is, when you are having these open conversation, and half their challenge is why, Swati? Because they are not understanding what is happening. उनको समझ नहीं आ रहा है, उनको ये new feelings कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? Why these new feelings?
And that's the reason we say little knowledge is even more dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Don't know.
So they go to the internet to be able to figure out. And guess what? That is why they have a very warped understanding of a relationship. They have a very warped understanding of love, a very, very warped understanding of sex. They do not have the right understanding because the people who can give them the right understanding are keeping mum, saying, ये तो पता लग ही जाएगा ना बाद में, ये तो पता लग ही जाएगा. अरे हेलो,
अभी तो बोलो, talk about it at least.
Exactly. क्योंकि अगर आप नहीं बोल रहे हो तो वो बच्चा जाके किसी न किसी से तो बात कर रहा है और सीख रहा है. तो you decide कि आपको नहीं बात करनी है तो फिर then don't say अरे my बच्चा has gone out. It's not because your बच्चा is bad. आपका
हाँ
बच्चा बाहर तभी जाता है when there is nothing interesting at home to talk
हाँ
about.
हाँ हाँ. When you have closed the doors for him or
Yeah,
her,
yeah.
because otherwise, how why will the child go outside?
Exactly.
Hmm.
No matter how much they try to pull away from you, like I
Hmm.
know for a fact because we've been able to study this, right? That
Hmm.
at an early age or as soon as they start hitting puberty, girls want to disassociate with the mother the
Hmm.
most
Hmm.
because she's the one person they've been closest to. And
Hmm.
now they want to develop their own independent identity.
Right.
So they have to disassociate. With the father,
Hmm.
the girls are still pretty okay. Yeah,
Huh.
it's a fact.
Hmm.
Now
Hmm.
the boys,
Are more
उनका
attached to
स्टोरी
mothers.
थोड़ा-सा
Hmm.
नहीं उनका स्टोरी थोड़ा-सा अलग है क्योंकि they start developing feelings towards the opposite sex.
Hmm.
Even girls start. But
हाँ.
girls का working and brain functionality is something different. Abhi now this is how nature has, evolved us, helped
Hmm.
us evolve.
Hmm.
The boys, their sexuality becomes a little bit of a thing of worry for them because they feel ki I'm having really, this feeling towards the opposite sex, but the first opposite sex person is my mother.
हाँ.
Pull away. So a lot of
Hmm.
times you will notice boys will pull away and they will
Hmm.
become quieter.
Hmm. Hmm.
The
Hmm.
girls will start talking a lot. They will start
Hmm.
ranting. They will start talking back. They will start
Hmm.
screaming. And
Hmm.
if they see a similar situation happening in the home, then that will become their normal.
Hmm.
It is
Correct.
happening initially because they are fighting to, to establish their own identity.
Hmm. Correct.
So
Correct.
this is where the communication steps in. When we start,
Hmm.
see, parents भी कैसे अच्छे से communicate करेंगे जब तक उनको ये knowledge नहीं है कि ये हो
Hmm.
क्यों रहा है.
हाँ हाँ. Correct.
अब वो ठीक से communicate ये कर सकते हैं कि हाँ ये होगा.
Hmm.
Let me
Hmm.
give cool off period. Let me
Right.
not at the same time engage and make every argument
Hmm.
a big battle.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah.
Correct.
So,
Correct. Absolutely.
and let me not say constantly, अरे ये तो आजकल बात ही नहीं करता, ये तो अपने रूम
Hmm.
में बंद रहता है,
Hmm.
because that child is still trying to is struggling to figure out his
What's
own feelings.
happening?
Yeah,
What's happening with me?
and this
Where
is
am
where
I?
I talk about.
Am I wrong? So you start
हाँ, there,
contemplating, am I wrong? Is there something wrong with me?
there you
Am
go.
I the culprit? So
Exactly.
another zone altogether. It's a dark zone.
Totally. And that is the zone that they are getting into unless and until
Hmm.
we step in with conversations about these awkward
Correct.
conversations.
Hmm.
So,
Hmm.
Commander Bimal Raj, who's my life partner as well as my business partner, um, he. He has a podcast on
Hmm.
Spotify and other platforms called Awkward Talks, Swati.
Okay. Wow.
Awkward Talks mein he's only talking about all of these small things that
Hmm.
everybody finds it awkward to talk about these things. He's
Hmm.
talking about it very openly.
Wow. Wow.
And this is what and he came up with Awkward Talks
Hmm.
because we started having those awkward conversations with our child. So
Huh.
she's the
Wow.
reason he came up with these awkward
Wow.
talks, this
Wow.
entire, you
So,
know,
so, so I really want all of you who are watching here or maybe watching later, please go ahead and follow him and understand how awkward talk really works, and so that
yes,
it helps you more than anything else. It's about you and
yes,
your child. So both of you are the prime, the most important thing in our lives because that's why we are here.
yes,
And I really want you to go ahead, follow him, and understand his perspective so that you can make sure that you understand your child's perspective rather
yes.
than jumping into what your child is doing.
Yeah. And then, of course, please start uh, implementing what I just
Hmm.
mentioned. Start having
Hmm.
those conversations. अगर आपको अपने बच्चे के साथ conversation openly करने में थोड़ा सा हिचकिचाहट हो रही है, तो पहले अपने spouse के साथ conversation शुरू कीजिए.
Hmm.
Please, it's very
Hmm.
crucial. क्योंकि
Hmm.
in the Indian culture, this is also seen very widely, Swati,
Right.
that हम अपने spouse के साथ तक
बात नहीं कर
awkward talks
सकते.
नहीं कर सकते हैं.
Hmm. Hmm.
जिनके साथ we are sharing everything in our life,
Hmm. Hmm.
even our intimate moments, but with that person we're not able to talk about certain things which are so crucial.
Hmm. Hmm.
So we definitely want, and can I tell you, Swati, we as a culture, we as an Indian culture, we were so open
Hmm.
because these
Hmm.
things were taught to our children in the Gurukul system when there was the Gurukul
Absolutely.
system.
Very true. Very true.
That system was far more advanced
Hmm. Hmm.
than the British curriculum that came in our,
Uh,
yeah. And right, that the British
right.
curriculum
No,
came
absolutely.
in.
They had everything. I have read about it.
Yeah. No,
They
I
had
no, no, I'm
everything, and
saying
they purposely removed it
yes.
so that Indians could not go through it.
Yes, because the British had very, very, proper thought process that all,
Yeah, they were very smart to actually remove it because they knew that if people get to know about this, they will get more educated, they will be more civilized, and
yes,
they will be able to understand things better. And rather, they included it in their curriculum and removed it from
yes,
ours. Smartly.
yes. All curriculums that come from abroad, they have
Hmm.
a proper sex education, like proper
Ha,
sex education, and
ha,
it
ha.
is converted to just two lectures or two, talks
Hmm.
when it
Hmm.
comes to India. And
Right.
I don't understand why, after understanding this, our education system isn't able to do something about it.
Ha, ha.
So now I feel like it's okay for parents and coaches like you and me to take this
Hmm.
into our hands. This is exactly why
Absolutely.
I
Hmm.
truly, truly believe in what our
Hmm.
mentor Sids constantly talks about.
Hmm.
That, and Blair, all of our mentors, Blair constantly talks about
Yeah.
that. Teachers and leaders are
Hmm.
required in this world. This world needs more coaches, teachers,
Hmm.
leaders
Hmm.
who have truly connected with their inner higher genius,
Hmm. Hmm.
because otherwise, the way that this world is going,
Hmm.
I don't know where we'll land up. But it's
Absolutely.
thanks to people like them, and now
Hmm.
that they're passing on their legacy into us, and we are going to be passing
And we
on
are
our legacy
thankful. We are so thankful because if
super
they weren't
grateful.
doing it, then it would have not passed it to us, and we are not passing to others. Then there's no chain reaction. It's a perfect chain when it flows.
Yes, absolutely. So I'm extreme. I'm constantly filled with loads and loads of gratitude that
Hmm.
none of this would have happened if my mentors,
Ah,
starting with my own parents,
ah,
hadn't thought it,
correct.
hadn't deemed it fit enough for
Hmm.
me to start knowing about these things, and
Absolutely.
for me to be in their presence, in
Hmm.
their energy,
Ah,
for them to pass on things to me and to you,
absolutely.
so that we could pass it on, right?
Correct. Correct.
So yeah, that's
So,
what my
so
thought process
wow,
is.
that's lovely. So I want to add
Yeah.
in this. So basically, when we spoke about how can we deal with sensitive topics, I could
Yeah.
just remember one thing. So I and my husband actually we were waiting for Ashvika's periods day to start.
Yes.
So
Okay.
we packed a small gift in which there were all the essentials for periods. We had a cupcake ordered. So it is not about. I mean, that wasn't public. We did not
Yes.
want to make it public, but those sweet moments which happened at
Yeah.
home,
Yeah.
that made her feel that it is awesome to have this conversation.
Yes.
It is as awesome to open up with both the parents. It is
Yes.
just not about one parent. So I would like to reiterate this, that talk, like
Yes.
Pallavi said rightly, that the first conversation you have to do it with is with your partner. If your
Yeah.
partner and you are in sync, then the open communication happens more seamlessly.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And I just want to share this with everybody, that when you're, so there are many, many cultures, even in India, that
Mhm.
celebrate puberty. You know that, I'm
Yes,
sure, right?
yes, yes.
There are many cultures.
Sri Lankans have a proper celebration. I
No,
have gone
even
to one
here
place
in India. So
in India and others. Yeah, so
I'm
I have
currently
gone
living in
there celebrating.
Hyderabad,
Hmm.
where Telugus
Ha,
have a
Telugus
proper, ceremony,
celebration.
boss.
Yes, and it's a beautiful. Like everybody is putting
Beautiful
mehendi,
ceremony.
where
And I
everybody is
love,
blessing the girl, and it's
yes.
very nice. It's
And the
very
boy, and
beautiful.
the boy, even the boys have it
Ha,
when they
ha,
hit their
ha.
puberty age,
Yes.
And I'm telling you, what's the perspective that came to me when my child hit puberty, the perspective that came to me was, wow, my
Hmm.
girl has now become
Oh,
Shakti,
yeah.
the
Hmm.
divine mother.
Mother.
because that's what puberty helps you
It's all
understand, that
about.
it
Yes.
helps you
Yes.
become a procreator, a
Hmm.
co-creator with
Hmm.
the divine.
Right.
That is such a beautiful way of looking at it. But
हाँ.
how many people actually are even looking at it? हमारे कंट्री में बहुत सारी चीजों को लेके अभी तक बहुत टैबू है, which is not
Hmm. Hmm.
understood in the right manner. So
Right.
again, that communication कि आप पहले
Hmm.
अपना clarity लाओ, आप
हाँ.
पहले
So that
अपनी
you can
चीजें,
give the same clarity to your child.
करेक्ट है ना?
Hmm.
तो यू वांट टू डू योर रीडिंग, यू डू योर रिसर्च, उसके
हाँ.
बाद आप बैठो अपने स्पाउस के साथ बात करो, इवन इफ यू वांट टू टॉक टू योर बेस्टी, सिट
हाँ.
टॉक
हाँ.
एंड देन
True. True.
at an appropriate time sit and do
हाँ.
things with your child and celebrate
Yes.
that, that talk.
हाँ.
And
हाँ.
make it not like once in 1 month kind of a talk. If it's on a daily
Hmm.
basis, now Swati, this is a very big pointer that I want to share. When we talk on a daily basis now about things
Hmm.
that are happening on a regular basis,
Yeah.
तभी जाके ना वो expressiveness बढ़ती है.
But yeah. हाँ.
It's the same thing in communication, and I
Hmm.
think it's the same thing in anything. Like I keep telling people
Yes.
कि communication is like swimming. बाहर से
Hmm.
मैं जितना भी आपको बोल लूँ, हाथ ऐसे मारो, हाथ सीधा करो, हाथ ये करो, आपको
हाँ.
पानी में जाना पड़ेगा.
हाँ. हाँ.
सिमिलरली आपको कम्युनिकेट रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में करना पड़ेगा
करना
अपने
पड़ेगा.
साथ और
True. हाँ.
सामने वाले के साथ, टू गेट
Right.
बेटर.
Hmm.
सिमिलरली पेरेंटिंग कम्युनिकेशन में भी
Hmm.
आपको पहले अपनी चीजें बढ़ानी
Knowledge. You have
पड़ेगी.
to
यू हैव टू
strengthen
गेट
your own knowledge,
करेक्ट.
then your partner's
Then
knowledge, then
exactly,
your
and then
child.
yourself. Because see, family is like this according to me. These are the two partners, and when they come together, guess what? And
हाँ.
when the kids and everybody come together, guess what? We are making like it's almost like a temple.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
it's the meeting point is that, right?
हाँ. हाँ.
And
हाँ.
that is where I feel that many
हाँ.
people are not meeting here. They are
Right.
going
हाँ. They're going
ऐसे
parallel
पैरेलल
rather
लाइन में
than
जा रहे हैं.
opposite. Yes,
you know
absolutely. True.
and
True. Very true.
eventually इसलिए
Hmm.
if you see there are so many people who have not spoken to their parents for so
Hmm.
long. There are
Correct.
so many people, so we talk about how parents, and I find it very sad how parents, older
Hmm.
generation parents, how they talk about today's generation. They
Hmm.
talk about कि देखो प्रॉब्लम्स तो हमारे टाइम पे भी हुआ करते थे, लेकिन
हाँ.
आजकल जो भी प्रॉब्लम हो देन स्ट्रेट अवे डिवोर्स का नाम दे दिया जाता है.
हाँ. हाँ.
They are
हाँ.
all willing to do that. Now I want to share with, and to the extent that sometimes people might dislike when I'm so open, but I want
Hmm.
to share with all that generation wala parents,
Hmm.
guys, none of these people learned all of this elsewhere. The
Correct.
first learning ground was home. So maybe
Hmm.
you didn't get divorced,
Yes.
but they did not learn how to express themselves fully because
Hmm.
they did not see anything being expressed fully at home.
Yes. Hmm. Hmm.
And if those people who came from such families where expression was not fully done at home, then
Hmm.
those people went outside and did exactly what they felt best, and
Hmm.
the opposite person did what they felt best, and then they were
Hmm.
looking in two different directions.
Correct.
So it
Correct.
all starts at home, and that is why I say you're doing such a phenomenal service to mankind,
Hmm.
because you're helping parents who are building the future.
Hmm. Hmm.
These
Hmm.
kids are our legacy. What
Hmm.
we are going to put into them is going to be carried forward as legacy.
Absolutely.
It's as
Absolutely.
simple as that, right?
Very, very true. So if you could share just one key takeaway for parents who can
And
strengthen their communication with their children, what would it be? Just one key takeaway.
one key takeaway would be have conversations. Conversations can solve anything and everything.
Hmm. Hmm. Open conversations without gadget-free
Yes,
conversation.
gadget
Where
free
you can just
conversations, just have open conversations.
hmm, hmm,
Be willing to learn from your kids as well in those conversations, because a lot of times when we are having those conversations हम ये बोलते हैं कि हैं, how do you know about this? अरे
हाँ,
कॉन्वर्सेशन कहीं का कहीं डाइग्रेस हो गया.
हाँ, हाँ,
उनको पता है, ये जान के चलिए, उनको पता है आपसे ज्यादा.
हाँ, हाँ,
you know
हाँ.
and be willing to be open minded in those
Hmm,
conversations.
hmm, hmm.
Have open-minded conversations, have conversations where you might even get a lot to learn. So be an active listener when you are
Yes.
having this conversation.
Yeah.
Don't just be the speaker in the conversation. And
हाँ.
allow your child to express
Hmm.
fully without
Hmm.
any barriers. अरे छे,
Yeah.
इसके बारे में थोड़ी इतना ओपनली बात करते हैं, नहीं, हर
हाँ.
चीज के
वैसे
बारे
ही
में
हाँ.
ओपनली बात
हाँ.
करते हैं.
हाँ. हाँ. True.
इसीलिए हमारी कंट्री में बहुत ग्रेव इश्यूज जैसे रेप
Hmm.
के बारे में
Hmm.
ओपनली बात नहीं की
नहीं
जाती है,
करते. Hmm.
क्योंकि हमने सिर्फ ये सीखा है हमारी फैमिली से कि
Right.
इन चीज़ों के बारे में ओपनली बात नहीं
बात नहीं
करनी है,
कर. हाँ. True. True.
you
True.
know. And that is so I think that is causing a lot of challenge.
Obviously, yes, it
You know,
is.
so this is my humble request to all parents. अगर एक चीज आपने इतना हमने 51 मिनट्स का कॉन्वर्सेशन जो आपके साथ इतना दिल से किया, अगर एक चीज आप ले जाएं वापस मेरे साथ मुझसे आज, that would be have open-minded conversations
Hmm.
where you
Hmm.
are an active listener, where you
Hmm.
are a speaker also, where
Hmm.
you are so open-minded that you say, okay, I'm willing to unlearn, I'm willing
हाँ.
to relearn with my child. I'm
Absolutely.
willing for us to be, see, okay, the child, I don't believe in this that you have to be a friend to your child, because your child can have millions of friends. They will
हाँ.
only have
That's
two
just
parents.
हाँ, one set
You
of
know?
parents.
तो है
हाँ.
ना, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यू हैव टू मेक दैट वेरी क्लियर टू योर चाइल्ड, हे
Hmm.
लिसन, आई एम नॉट ऑलवेज गोइंग टू टेल यू व्हाट यू वांट टू हियर.
Hmm.
But if you'd
Correct.
like us to have this amazing talk, and if you you would like this relationship to be awesome, then you
Hmm.
will also sometimes have to hear things that you need to hear, and they will not be very
Very
happy.
rosy and sweet and
Yeah, they may not be very happy, they may not be very rosy, sweet. They may
Hmm.
not always be things that you like. You might even
Hmm.
end up wanting to say to me, I hate you. It's
Ah,
okay,
it's okay.
you know.
Because you need
And
to learn that and you need to know that.
yes, and similarly, you can tell your child, you can also tell me things.
Which might not be good, but you might not like something about mama and you can openly tell it. It's
Yes.
perfectly fine about it.
And you know how much confidence this kind of a conversation builds in your child? Your
Hmm.
child feels like, मैं सिर्फ, you know, I'm not only here to ये हुजूर ही
Listen.
बजाओ
Ah,
authority.
right,
See,
right.
at a subconscious level, what are they learning?
Ah,
Authority के साथ सिर्फ मैंने जी, yes sir, yes ma'am, yes mama, yes papa नहीं करना है.
ah, ah,
I am allowed to politely
ah.
have my have my
Open
point of
communication.
view.
Ah, ah, ah.
And that, Swati,
That is powerful.
it's so powerful. जब जब पेरेंट्स मेरे पास आके बोलते हैं कि our child is very obedient, our child, you know, listens to everything we say.
Sorry, Baba, that's a red flag altogether.
Ooh, big red flag, big danger zone. And we tell the
What a
parents openly, without the child being there, we tell the
ah,
parents openly. Can we tell you this? This is the most dangerous sign.
ah. That is
We
our
need you to
hmm.
have your child express fully and openly, anger to anger, sadness to sadness. ये नहीं कि yes mama, yes papa.
Now that total yes is a complete red flag.
And it's a proper study which has
Problem.
been
Mhm,
done, and it has
absolutely.
been proven that
Mm-hmm.
children who answer back, children who stand up for themselves, children who have the ability to talk and
Mm-hmm.
express themselves fully, and sometimes even they might even employ some shouting or whatever, you have to
Ah,
calm them down by
ah,
you keeping calm as well. The
right.
minute you have that kind of a child, that kind of a child is a lot more open to growth, is a lot more open to
Mm.
change, is a lot
Mm.
more open to understanding that it's okay to make mistakes.
Yeah, absolutely. They're more capable, independent. They're more smarter. They're ready
Yes.
to be more resilient. They know
Oh,
how
yes.
to come out in the situations, even if tough situations.
Oh yes, oh
Yes.
yes. So
Mm. Mm.
please, endeavor. Your endeavor should be, if your child is, you know, answering back, asking too many questions,
Mm.
celebrate.
Ah.
You
Wow, wow,
you
that's
have a super
awesome.
awesome, you
Ah,
know, being. And you're just the
Absolutely.
caretaker of that being. Like she said, you're
Uh,
just the gardener. Come on, let that being blossom.
yeah,
You know?
right, right. That's lovely. I loved the way honestly and beautifully you're explaining things. So that
Thank you.
finishes our questions, but I
Yes,
have some interesting rapid fire round kind of thing for
sure.
you. There are 10 questions. There
Okay.
are just one word, yes, no's, whatever you find comfortable.
Yes.
So, can we begin?
Of course, I'm ready. Bring it on.
So, what is that first word that comes to your mind when you think about great communication?
Conversation.
Okay. The best time of a day to have a serious conversation with kids.
Best time of the day is the night.
Okay. One
Not
communication
when they're very sleepy.
hmm,
Before that, you
before
know,
that.
when they've played enough and all of that, and that's a good time. When they're
Hmm,
now full stomach hair, they've played
hmm,
also, they've studied
hmm.
also. They're in a happy space.
Ha,
Very very good time.
so that I call it as golden hour because that's a
Yeah,
perfect time to talk to kids and their subconsciously if you talk about the
yeah,
psychology wise they say that that time your theta brain is active, which
yeah.
means your yes brain is active, and that
Mm,
is when the child understands more. So I agree with that.
beautiful.
So what is that? Sorry, one communication habit every parent should try to avoid.
Um, Sarcasm is
Okay.
things that happen between parents and children, especially in teenage. But I personally feel the one communication habit is shouting,
Okay. Hmm. Hmm.
raising your voice.
Okay. Fair.
Yeah.
Fair. So, if you could describe communication in one color, what would it be?
Color,
Hmm.
blue.
Okay.
Blue and
Okay.
golden. Actually,
Hmm.
they do happen to be my brand colors, but blue is because it's communication is about connecting from the heart and it's about trust, building trust,
Hmm. Hmm.
right?
Wow. Wow.
And golden is when that communication is truly from the heart and it's built trust. That relationship is golden, yeah,
Wow.
and
Wow.
your life is golden.
Huh.
So that
Huh.
is very
Every
powerful.
cloud has a silver lining, so I could just think of that.
There you go.
So if what is your go-to phrase for calming down a tense moment?
In a tense moment, the God in me is connecting to the God in the other person.
Wow, how
I've
lovely!
learned this from
How
my
lovely!
mentor, and I want to be able to give my thanks to my mentor, Dr. Sam,
Huh.
for enabling this in and empowering me with this. Um, because even in the most tense situations, this is an intelligent being. I am an intelligent being. The intelligence in me is actually the God in me, right?
Wow.
And there is such an intelligence in you as well, Swati, in our children as well. So every time that
That's a connection.
I'm
Yeah,
just
that's a
thinking
connection. Hmm.
the God in me is connecting with the God in the other person. And when that is happening,
Ah,
it's so
lovely,
beautiful,
lovely.
right?
I
Yeah.
love the way you explain. So, texting or talking, what is a better way to connecting with your teens?
Talking.
I knew the answer though. So,
Yeah,
one
I'll
book
tell you
or
something. I'll tell you something. There would be, it depends on what kind of person that person is. So, is that person
hmm,
an auditory person, a visual person? Is that person a person who writes, a person who's kinesthetic? वो
hmm,
किस type का learner है? That
hmm,
also makes a big difference. And what has, so I'll be sorry, this is not a direct answer because um, maybe the child is very angry, and at that point
hmm.
in time, speaking face to face to the child, it may not be the right.
Won't be a good idea. Hmm.
Maybe texting could be a very
Ah,
good
a better.
idea because there
Yeah.
is clarity before that child is writing down,
Right.
right?
Right. So
when
this
when they're
this what
talking,
helps.
it's just,
Hmm.
yeah, when they're
Hmm.
talking, it's just short circuit hua and blah, blah, blah.
Hmm. Hmm.
you know
Hmm.
we don't want that. So when you
Ah.
write something, Swati, have you noticed you read that before you send it out,
Yes. Yes.
and
Yes.
then
I think that gives you a
the
calming
options
effect
came up.
also.
Yes, it has a calming effect.
Because when
So
you're writing, when you're typing, then you contemplate, you
yes,
realize what you're writing, and then
yes,
you realize it wasn't that big a deal. I think we can
yeah.
ignore it. And then you edit, and then you rewrite it. So
Absolutely,
yeah.
absolutely.
Hmm.
And therefore, talking or texting depends on situations, according to me.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm. So
And
one
the
book.
learning ability of your child, as in what kind of a learner is your child.
Hmm,
Yeah.
hmm, hmm.
So,
So,
yes.
so I'm sorry. I'm going a little faster
Yes.
because after 60 minutes, it's going to turn off automatically.
Okay. Okay.
So one book or resource you recommend on communication.
On communication, wow. Um, when I talk about resource, I talk about myself.
We love you, Pallavi. So yeah,
I
I would
love
really strongly
myself.
want people to
स्वाति मैं
connect with
अपनी
her.
फेवरेट हूँ और मैं ये इतना मैं जानती हूँ
होनी
कि
भी
मेरे
चाहिए,
mentors की
and it's
वजह से
important. Hmm.
I have grown so much. So
हाँ,
I am one resource, Pallavi Walia
हाँ,
Raj.
हाँ. So that also makes me thinks about one thing. So actually, this is true. If you can't love yourself, how can people
Yeah,
love you?
yeah,
And if you love yourself, people will love you. So
absolutely. Goes
I
without
agree with
saying.
that. So best age to start having an open communication with kids.
Right from the time they're in your womb. And of course, later on, yes, at the age of 5, 6,
Hmm.
start conversations. In
Okay,
fact,
one
much
word.
earlier.
Okay, one word to describe the impact of empathy in communication.
Empathy and community, the impact of it. You will have you will have very empathetic. Um, you will have
Bond, love.
charismatic, magnetic communicators
Oh wow.
when you have empathy.
Ha 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 ha.
Without empathy, that doesn't happen.
Wow, perfect. So thank you, Pallavi, for such an amazing, insightful, magnetic, power pack. I don't have words. So the
Thank you
topic
so
was
much, Swati.
awesome, and thank you for joining us in this Wisdom Waves Wednesday live. And
Great.
I hope audience had loads of fun. They took loads of notes. And if you haven't, go through the live again, share
Yeah.
it with whoever you want. And I would specifically want to tell you, in case you want to connect with Pallavi, I'm going to tag her on all my live sessions. So please check it and go to her page, connect with her, and you will see how beautiful she can change you and transform.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Swati. Thank you, everybody, for watching and for showering your love. I run a very small, humble hub called Charismatic Communicators Hub, and charismatic is spelled with Z, with Z.
Hmm.
So if people would love to, kind of go and check that out, they can. Of
They
course,
would
follow
love
me,
to, I'm sure.
communicate with Pallavi, follow me on Insta, and as well as on YouTube. If Thank you, Swati, for sharing that.
Yeah,
Guys,
I will certainly tag you, share your handles
yeah.
so that people can follow you easily.
Yes, and I have to say a very special thank you to Swati for getting me on this R stream platform right towards the end, and for bearing with my idiosyncrasies of अरे Swati time नहीं है event चल रहा है ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है. Thank you, Swati.
No,
You
no,
have
no,
been
no.
the
I
sweetest.
know, I know. It's always tough, and I know. Thank you for actually coming over here. It certainly means a lot. I know you had a lot of events happening. I'm so sorry to bug you with a lot of
No, you're not.
messages. I
Please
was
don't be. I
miserable.
loved being on this. I loved the conversation we had today. I
Ah,
truly, truly hope and pray and believe that if we have been able to connect from the God in us
mm,
space, it
ah.
has most certainly connected with the God in everybody that is
Wow, wow.
watching
It
us.
certainly has because you've been very pure in your communication. You're
Thank
a
you.
very, very pure soul. It was lovely. I could see each and every conversation. You never, like, innocence and purity was absolutely visible. And I
Thank
want
you.
to thank you for that.
Oh, thank you so much, Swati.
I
Lots of
literally
love
love
to you.
same pinch. So thank you guys. Thank you all for joining in, and loads and loads of love and blessings. And thank you everybody. And see you in the next live, which is next Wednesday. Bye bye.
Awesome. Keep growing, Swati. Keep inspiring. Lots of love. Mwah.
Thank you.